guys, I'm going to show you some of the new user interface elements that we've built into T7. What you will probably notice right away is the new slimline transport bar down the bottom here. You can open and close it with this button on the far left. This is the traditional view of the transport properties panel and menus. Again, you know, this little button here opens and closes. We still keep all of the important tools accessible at all times, so you have the little three lines accesses the menus, undo, redo. A little toolbar button here allows you to quickly access properties for components, or elements rather I should say. So for example, EQs, you can tap on that, get in, quickly access EQs or whatever it is you have selected. Essentially it's a quick view of the properties panel. These buttons are icon versions of the buttons available in the main transport area. These buttons over here, we have created icons for each of those, and so it doesn't take up nearly as much room, but you still have access to each of those. And then of course the transport, so allows you to use more of your screen real estate for the important stuff, which is your arranging and editing. Another cool thing, we have the traditional open close panel buttons in the top, which of course you haven't changed for a long time. What's new now is if you close panels and then hover to the side, you can quick animate the panels open, so you don't constantly have to go back up and use the buttons up the top here. You can just hover and open. So another really cool way of just getting in quickly, being able to manipulate stuff in the mixer area. This also works for the browser, so if you hover on the left it opens up the browser. Cool thing with the browser, as you probably noticed in the launch videos, is you can now drag the browser just by grabbing the browser open and close button. You can now drag it to the top panel here, so you can now drag your browsers across the top, which allows you to have a bit more screen real estate, especially if you're opening multiple browsers. You'll see we have the new plus icon here in the browsers, so you can open as many browsers as you like. I tend to find realistically 6 or 7 is about as much as you realistically need to audition loops. The browsers themselves are all synchronized, so if you're like me and you have various loop libraries, you can open up each loop library in a different browser, and then I'm just going to wait for my hard drive to warm up here, and then obviously audition and synchronize all of these loops at once, and then once you have several, oops, let me reopen that for you. Once you have several selected, if you just shift and drag, it will actually just drag all of those clips in as well. So very cool. Let's just open that and undo that. So really good use of screen real estate. You can of course in the browsers have all of the typical browser types. So if you want to have a single browser open for tracks, one open for your search panel for searching for plugins, then you can. If you hover on the line here, you can expand the area used by the browser. So again, very easy to manipulate your screen and use the real estate to the best way for your workflow. You can close that out again and go full screen. Enjoy.